Welcome to techxlovers. Gardening gear that will make you love your yard. Roamwild Multi-Digger Weeder. The Roamwild Multi-Digger Weeder is a versatile gardening tool that can be used to remove weeds, aerate soil, and even plant seeds. It's a lightweight and easy to use tool that is perfect for anyone who wants to save time and effort in the garden. The Roamwild Multi-Digger Weeder has 3 interchangeable heads: a weeding head, an aerating head, and a planting head. The weeding head is designed to remove weeds from the ground without damaging the surrounding plants. The aerating head is designed to create small holes in the soil to improve drainage and aeration. The planting head is designed to make holes for planting seeds or seedlings. The Roamwild Multi-Digger Weeder is easy to use. Simply select the desired head and insert it into the handle. Then push down on the handle to activate the tool. The tool will do the rest of the work, removing weeds, aerating soil, or planting seeds with ease. The Roamwild Multi-Digger Weeder is a great choice for anyone who wants to save time and effort in the garden. It's a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, and it is easy to use. SelfEco Pot. The SelfEco Pot is a unique gardening gadget that is designed to help plants grow healthier and stronger. It is a compostable pot that contains a blend of nutrients that are released slowly over time, providing plants with the nutrients they need to thrive. The SelfEco Pot is made from a blend of recycled materials, including cornstarch, PLA, and wood fiber. It's completely compostable, so you can plant it in the ground when your plant is finished growing. The SelfEco Pot also has a built-in water reservoir, so you don't have to water your plants so often. The SelfEco Pot is a great choice for anyone who wants to help their plants grow healthier and stronger. It is easy to use and provide plants with the nutrients they need to thrive. Gardena Zoommax. The Gardena Zoommax is an oscillating sprinkler that is designed to water large areas evenly. It has a range of up to 150 feet, so you can water your entire lawn with just one sprinkler. The Zoommax also has a variety of settings, so you can customize the watering pattern to your specific needs. The Gardena Zoommax is easy to use. Simply attach it to a garden hose and turn on the water. The Zoommax will start oscillating, evenly distributing water over the desired area. The Zoommax also has a built-in timer, so you can set it to water your lawn automatically. The Gardena Zoommax is a great choice for anyone who wants to water their lawn easily and efficiently. It is easy to use, has a long range and a variety of settings. Bypass Tree Lopper. The Wolf Carton Bypass Tree Lopper is a high-quality bypass lopper that is designed for professional use. Serrated blades that can cut through thick branches with ease. The lopper also has a comfortable grip and a lightweight design, making it easy to use for extended periods of time. The Wolf Carton Bypass Tree Lopper is a great choice for professional gardeners and arborists who need a high-quality lopper that can withstand the rigors of daily use. It is also a good choice for homeowners who have large trees or shrubs that need to be pruned on a regular basis. Aqua Joe AJ-ET2Z. The Aqua Joe AJ-ET2Z is a 2-zone electronic water timer that is designed to make watering your lawn and garden easy and convenient. It has a large LCD display that shows the time, zone, and watering duration. The AJ-ET2Z also has a built-in memory, so you can set it and forget it. The Aqua Joe AJ-ET2Z is easy to use. Simply set the timer for the desired watering time and zone, and then plug it into an outdoor outlet. The AJ-ET2Z will automatically turn on and off at the specified times, so you don't have to worry about watering your lawn and garden yourself. The Aqua Joe AJ-ET2Z is a great choice for anyone who wants to save time and water. It is easy to use and can be programmed to water your lawn and garden at the most efficient times. Drahtspanner. The Drahtspanner is a German word that means wire tensioner. It is a gardening tool that is used to tighten wires in fences, trellises and other structures. It's a small handheld tool that is easy to use. The Drahtspanner has a long handle that makes it easy to reach wires that are high up. It also has a ratchet mechanism that makes it easy to tighten wires without having to use a lot of force. The Drahtspanner is a great choice for anyone who needs to tighten wires in their garden. It is easy to use and can be used to tighten wires of all sizes. Gardena Micro-Drip. The Gardena Micro-Drip is a drip irrigation system that is designed to water plants efficiently and effectively. It's a great choice for anyone who wants to save water and time when watering their garden. The Gardena Micro-Drip system is made up of a variety of components including emitters, tubing and connectors. The emitters are small plastic devices that release water slowly and evenly over a period of time. The tubing is used to connect the emitters to each other and to the water source. The connectors are used to join the tubing together and to attach the tubing to the water source. The Gardena Micro-Drip system is easy to install and use. Simply lay out the tubing in your garden and connect the emitters to the tubing. Then, attach the tubing to the water source and turn on the water. The emitters will start releasing water and your plants will be watered automatically. The Gardena Micro-Drip system is a great way to save water and time when watering your garden. It is also a great way to water the plants that are difficult to water with a traditional sprinkler, such as vegetables and flowers. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.